Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku, regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. Yes, we have here a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku, and this will be number 16501. So let's get started. And my strategy is to find a big square with only one sharing box. For example, this one with one sharing box with another big square. Here also with one sharing box. Here the other have more sharing boxes, but I can see here a column with one sharing box. Here also with one sharing box. And all the big squares, the total sum of a big square, a column or a row, the total sum is always 45. Remember that? Because if I count all these four numbers, let me do this. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 16 will be 42. 42, that means 45, that's the total sum of a big square, minus 42 is a 3. 45 minus 42 is a 3. The box of 10, we have a 3 here, so this should be a 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Let me do this here. 7, double 7 is 14. 14 plus 14. 11 plus 13 is 24. Plus 14 will be 38. Is this correct? Yeah. 24. 14. Yes, 38. That means 45 minus 38 is a 7. And the box of 9, the combination here will be 7 plus 2. Alright, so now let me do this column. 7 plus 9 is 16. Plus 9 is 25. Plus 17 will be 25 plus 17, 42. 42, that means 45 minus 42 is a 3. Yes, the combination here in the box of 7 will be 3 plus 4 is 7. Let me do this in this column. 8 plus 10 is 18. Plus 14 is 32. 32 plus 9 is 41. 45 minus 41 is a 4. The combination here in the box of 11 will be 4 plus 7. Alright. We have here this triple box of 9. A 6. That means the other two boxes together will be 3. 6 plus 3 is a 9. The 3, the only combination for 3 will be 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row will be 3 in the second row. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I have already here the 2 and the 1. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, otherwise 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, but 0, I cannot use 0. One of the rules, so the 7 should be here. Those two boxes together will be 14. Alright. Let me see. Do we have boxes with only one combination? Yes. Box of 17. The only combination for box of 17 is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Yeah. Only one combination. 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Alright. That means we have a 9 here. Alright. In this column, box of 8, box of 14, box of 9. One of the missing number here is a 9. I cannot place the 9 here because we have a 9 in this big square. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, otherwise 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the 9 should be here in the box of 14. The combination will be 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. Alright. Then, let me see. We have here two boxes left. In the first column, one of the missing number here is the 6. The 6 is missing. Can I place the 6 in the box of 9? If I place it in the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. We already have a 3 here. So I cannot place the box. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 9. So the 6 should be here. 6 plus 1 will be. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. The other two numbers should be 4 and the 5. In the first column, 4 and the 5. The combination. Yes. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. One of the missing number in the last column is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 8 because then the combination will be 7 plus 1. We already have a 7 here, so it's not the solution. The 1 should be here. And the combination will be the 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The other two numbers should be the 6 and the 2. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6. Alright. So, we have two boxes left. The box of 9 and another box of 9. One of the combination is 4 plus 5 for the box of 9. We see here 4 and a 5. So I cannot place the 4 and a 5 here. The 4 and a 5 goes in this box. The box of 9. Yes, this box. The other two should be the 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 3 missing numbers now. The 9 is missing. The 9 cannot be here. We have a 9 in this big square, so the 9 should be in these two boxes. 9, 8, the 7 is also missing. 7, 5, 12, 3, the 7 and the 2 is missing. I cannot place the 2 in the triple box of 22. If I place it here, then we have a 9 here. 9 plus 2 is 11. And I need 11 again. And 11 is too much. Maximum is 9. So the 2 should be there. The combination will be 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Here goes 9 plus 9 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Alright. So we have an 8 here. So this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 9. We have a 9 now. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be a 7. 4 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 6 is missing. The 6 cannot be in the box of 6. The 7 cannot be in the box of 6. So the 1 and the 5. Only solution 1 and a 5. So we have a 5 in this row. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 4. We have a 6 now. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Here the combination in the box of 7 should be 3 plus 4. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. If I place the 2 here, then the combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We have a 5 here in this column, so the 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here the combination 1 plus 6. 2 boxes left in this triple box should be together 11. 2 plus 11 is equal to 13. Then 2, 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 6, and yeah. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course. So the 9 goes here. Here, the combination in the box of 10 will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course. So the 8 goes here. In the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. Alright, 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left, the box of 7 in this column. The combination here will be the missing number 4 and the 3 are missing. Yeah, 4 and the 3. 2 numbers missing here. The 6 and the 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. If I place it in the box of 10, then the combination will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be the solution. So the 6 should be here. The combination will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Alright. Let me see. So 2 boxes left in this row. The missing numbers here are the 9 and no, we have a 9. The 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. Here the combination in the box of 8 should be 7 plus 1. Here the combination in the box of 15 will be 6 plus 9. One box left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark them, 3 and 7. Now we have a 1 here. So this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. Then 2. Yes, we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the first column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be in the box of 7. The combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 8. Here the combination in the box of 11 will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 2 boxes left. Yes, 2 numbers left. For the numbers 4 and 9. For 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 4 goes there. One number left in this second row for the number 4. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4 plus 3. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21 in this triple box. Yes, 2 numbers left in this third row for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. So the 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 9. Yeah. Now we have a 5 here. So this can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Double check. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. In this triple box of 19. Yes, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Double check. Yes, in this triple box. Alright. 1 box left in this column. Should be the number 9. 9 is missing. And the 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great. Killer Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching and take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.